Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called less than 100. So in this problem, we're given two numbers. Return true if the sum of both numbers is less than 100. Otherwise, return false. As we can see from the examples, the two arguments, 22 and 15, if you add them up, equals 37. So since it's less than 100, it is going to be true. So in this other example, 83 plus 34 equals 117. Now 117 is obviously greater than 100, so it's going to be false. So now we're going to go to the code tab and we're going to look at this function. As you can see, the function is a bool, so that means we're going to return true or false. And then we have the two arguments, which are int a and int b. So to solve this, we're going to do an if-else statement. We're going to do if, and the condition is going to be a plus b that's less than 100, we're going to return true. So when it's not less than 100, we're going to return false. And this should pass all the tests. So it's checking, and as you can see, pass the test. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to continue to watch more videos. Thank you.